Hey guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I literally wanted to come on here and do another makeup tutorial because it's been a hot minute. Like, by now, my Haiti vlog should be posted already. If not, then it will probably be posted after this video. But I'm pretty sure it should be posted already. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So it is currently 10:59 p.m. Well, 11. I'm tired, but I just really, I've been feeling like I want to film something, but I just don't know what. So I have all of these things laid out and I'm just like, I'm gonna film a look. I just don't know what. So let's just get started, hop into things. Let's stop wasting time because I want to be done by like 1 a.m. so I can go to sleep. So you guys already know I'm gonna go in with my MAC Low paint pot. This paint pot is awesome, especially if you're doing like bright colors or any colors. It doesn't matter. It is freaking awesome. And this shade is perfect for women of color. Well, like, not women of color, but this shade is perfect for my skin tone. So if you are my skin tone or around my skin tone, you will love this. Okay, so I'm using the Fenty Beauty Dual Brush to blend this out. It came with my Galaxy palette. I really like that palette too. But I feel like all of the shimmer shades are just shimmer, you know? So I've been feeling purple lately, so I want to do a look, like a purple look. My shirt is like purple. If you guys really watch my videos, you know that this shirt looks familiar, right? So first I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate palette in the color Brights. I really like this palette, like if you're going for like bright shadows, but the colors aren't really that pigmented, so you really gotta go in and like go in. So I'm gonna go in with one of my old Wet n Wild brushes. This brush is like super old, but I'm not throwing it out because it still gets the job done. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right over here, and I'm going to blend that out all over. You'll see what I do. So you just want to pack this on. See, like it barely shows it. Oh, I see something. Yeah, I'm not gonna tap off the rest. And it's like I want to do a purple look, and I had a purple lipstick, but my older sister Jen, she just really freaking steals all of my lipstick, and now I don't have one. Like, it's at her house, and her house is 30 minutes away, and I'm not driving for a lipstick. You see how that shows? I'm really packing this on. Next up, I'm going to take the darker purple right over here. I'm only putting it like this slanted, and then I'm going to tap off the rest and then like lightly put that in the crease just to make it darker a little. But I want like that light to dark look. I'm going to blend it out at the end. So next up, I'm going to go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this dark purple right here and just do the same steps that I did. So I'm going to take it at like the tip of the brush. I feel like I want to add black onto this, but I'm not sure. I think I am with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, Semi-Sweet, and I'm gonna go in with Licorice. It's this black shade right over here, that all over the eyelid. Kind of want to do like smoky. Take a brush like this and blend out that black. So I'm literally just going to buff that in. Then I'm going to go back in with that purple and just blend some of this out. Okay, so next up I'm going to take my Angie brush and just want to make sure it has like a tip like this. Oh my god, look at my finger. And then I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to add some of that glitter primer on my lid because we're doing glitter, duh. But just kind of like tap it. And I'm going to take my She Sparkle and Shine Loose Glitter. And it's just this beautiful purple glitter like this. And I'm just going to dip that brush in like that, tap off the rest, and just add that glitter on top. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with my Kiss lashes. I got this from Walmart. This whole pack was like $5 or $7. I really like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the eyes are all done, I'm going to go ahead with the face to finish out the whole look. So I'm going to be using the Dr. Branded Primer. This is a good primer, but you guys know I'm all about Fenty. And Valerie can't afford Fenty right now, so it looks like Dr. Branded is the way to go. College is getting super hard. I'm like working 2 jobs to try to like support myself and pay my bills. So makeup is not my priority, you know? So I'm just gonna work with what I got, because that's what adults do. So I'm gonna take my BS small brush and I'm gonna blend all of that out. I didn't do liner today. Oh well. It's late. No time for liner. Liner takes concentration and like special skills that I don't possess right now. You see that? See how it's like, see how my face already looks like different? Or is it just me? I feel like my skin, like that primer did some shit. Some magical shit. Okay, next. Okay, so next up, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Primer. Okay, so next up, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 440. You guys know this is my favorite foundation ever. Ever, ever, ever. That should be enough. So I blended out my foundation with a brush. A lot of people say they don't like blending out their foundation with a brush because it leaves streaks, but I don't have any, you know? At least I don't see any, I hope not. I don't see any streaks, so I'm kind of happy. I need to cover that up though. I don't have any streaks. Maybe it's because I'm using Fenty, because you know Fenty got that magic touch. So talking about Fenty, I'm gonna go in with their concealer, and this is in the color Suede. I love all of Rihanna's products. Like, I don't know. I typically don't put that much. I don't know what's going on today, but I don't know. So I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use my Morphe sponge. I got this from Ulta for $7. Get your smile lines, just like do this. And then your chin. And then whatever's left over, I put on my forehead. But I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty in the color Espresso. Like, these two together are just like heaven sent. Rihanna. Just like that. And then on my nose. Like that. And I'm gonna take this and blend this out. Everyone always thinks I'm so good at makeup, but what people don't know is that I just like do stuff and I hope for the best. Like, I'm pretty sure this is not how you blend this out, especially with this edge. Pretty sure this is, I know what this is for, and I'm not using it correctly, but whatever. How do I live my life? Whatever, just do whatever you gotta do. As long as that shit works, that's all that matters. Okay, blend this out. Just like that. See that? I know it was like, see. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna go in with my Sasha Buttercup powder in the color Buttercup, and I'm going to just set my whole entire face with this. So next up, I'm going to take my MAC powdered blush in the color Film Noir. You guys know that I use this to bronze and to contour all the time because I can't find a contour powder, so I use this and it works perfectly. So I'm just going to chisel a little bit, and then I'm going to do this to like sharpen my jawbone, make it seem like I'm nice and slim. No, I'm not. Sometimes it's like you have insecurities and it's like, fuck that. Chill the fuck out of your chin, girl. Do what makes you happy. That's my motto. I'm gonna take a big blending brush like this and I'm gonna wipe away all of that powder. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with that black eyeshadow and I'm going to line my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that had the purple on there and I'm gonna grab some more purple and I'm gonna blend that black out. I'm going to connect that to that purple up there. Okay, so that same brush that I used to blend everything out, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me blush and I'm just going to add that to my cheeks. And this is in the color 50P. No, this is in the color 55. Okay, so next up I'm going to take my Wet n Wild mascara and I'm just gonna run that on my lashes. So I'm gonna be taking my MAC Ruby Woo lip pencil and I'm gonna take my actual MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. I don't like this with red. I really wish I had like a purple lipstick. So next up, I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I don't know which one to do. I like hot sand. Let's do hot sand today. Ooh, hot sand. Fucking just put that shit all over and let's glow. Yeah. I like that. My brow bone. I'm going to take my Smashbox primer water and set my face. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!